Question 33, practice paper class 10th. Calculate the total cost of running the following electrical devices in the month of September if the rate of 1 unit of electricity is rupees 6. Question में पूछा है कि month of September means month of September कितने days का होता है? 30 days. So in the month of September अगर rate of 1 unit of electricity means 1 kilowatt hour means rupees 6 per kilowatt hour. 1 kilowatt hour के लिए the amount is rupees 6. The expenditure is rupees 6. So total cost calculate करना है in the month of September means for 30 days. तो सबसे पहले calculate कर लेंगे amount of energy which is consumed in one day. First है electric heater. Electric heater of 1000 watt for 5 hours daily. अगर एक electric heater which is of 1000 watt daily use हो रहा है for 5 hours. Daily means every day. तो amount of energy consumed कितना होगा? Amount of energy consumed is P into T. P is the power, T is the time. तो इसको convert कर देंगे, watt को convert कर देंगे kilowatt में. तो 1000 watt is 1 kilowatt. तो ये हो गया P की वैल्यू हो गई 1, टाइम हो गया 5 hours. तो टोटल एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड हो गया 5 किलोवाट आवर. बी इलेक्ट्रिक रेफ्रिजरेटर ऑफ 400 watt फॉर 10 hours डेली. अब रेफ्रिजरेटर में पावर कितना कंज्यूम हो रहा है? 400 watt एंड डेली वो कितने आवर्स चलता है? 10 hours. तो 400 watt मीन्स 0.4 किलोवाट मल्टीप्लाइड बाई टाइम. तो ये हो गया 4 किलोवाट आवर. एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड बाय द रेफ्रिजरेटर हो गया 4 किलोवाट आवर. तो टोटल एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड डेली हो गया 5 + 4 दैट इज 9 किलोवाट आवर. सो पर डे अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी कंज्यूम्ड, amount of electrical energy consumed in running electric heater and refrigerator is 9 kilowatt hour. तो in 30 days कितना energy use होगा? So in 30 days the total energy consumed will be 9 into 30 that is 270 kilowatt hour. और 1 kilowatt hour के लिए cost कितना है? rupees 6. So total cost कितना हो जाएगा? For 1 kilowatt hour, if it is rupees 6, then for 270 kilowatt hour, it will be 270 into 6, that is rupees 1620. Section D, question 35. Question number 34, answer can be obtained from the book. Section D, question 35. A metal M is stored under kerosene. It vigorously catches fire. If a small piece of this metal is kept open in air, dissolution of this metal in water releases great amount of energy and the metal catches fire. The solution so formed turns red litmus blue. तो metal is kept under kerosene. क्यों रखते हैं इसको under kerosene? Because when it is kept open in air, it will catch fire. And dissolution of this metal in water will release great amount of energy, and again even on dissolution in water this metal catches fire. The solution so formed turns red litmus blue. मतलब solution is basic. When this metal is dissolved in water, the aqueous solution turns red litmus blue means solution is basic. Name the metal. Question A. Name the metal. Metal हो गया sodium. Because sodium is the most reactive metal. It catches fire when it is kept open in air. It reacts with water to give a basic solution. B. Write formula of the compound formed when this metal is exposed to air. Exposed to air means when it is exposed to air, it will react with oxygen of the air to form sodium oxide. That is Na2O. C part. Why is metal M stored under kerosene? It is given here that this metal is very reactive. It vigorously catches fire if it is kept open in air. So this is the reason it is kept under kerosene. It is kept under kerosene because if it is kept in open air, then it will catch fire. D. If oxide of this metal is treated with hydrochloric acid, what would be the product? अगर ऑक्साइड को हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड से ट्रीट करेंगे, प्रोडक्ट विल बी सोडियम क्लोराइड एंड वाटर. Salt and water is formed. Sodium oxide is a basic oxide. It reacts with acid to form salt and water. तो यहाँ पे एसिड हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड है. The formula for hydrochloric acid is HCl. तो HCl will react with Na2O to give NaCl and H2O. E. Write balanced equations for. First one is reaction of M with air. So sodium with air means oxygen of the air. It will react to form sodium oxide. तो इसकी इक्वेशन हो जाएगी 4Na plus O2 forming 2Na2O. This reaction is balanced. Second one is reaction of M with water. So sodium plus water forms sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. So 2 moles of sodium plus 2 moles of water forms sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen. तो यहाँ पे जो सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड फॉर्म हो रहा है वो क्या है? वो बेस है. So if now a red litmus is added to this solution, it will turn blue because the solution contains a base, that is sodium hydroxide. Third, reaction of metal oxide with hydrochloric acid. Sodium oxide है metal oxide. It reacts with hydrochloric acid to form sodium chloride, aqueous solution of sodium chloride plus water. Basic oxide है, acid के साथ react करेगा to form salt and water.